Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the fourth trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Hindustan Unilever because company reported the Q3 result where net profit is up by 19.1% at 3001 crores. Revenue is also up by 1.4% at 15,408 crores. EBITDA is also up by 0.9% at 3,570 crores and margins are reported at 23.2% versus 23.3% on Y&Y basis. Along with that, board approves demerger of ice cream business Quality Walls resulting. Company post demerger of ice cream business will be listed on BSE and NSE. Now the shareholder of demerged company will get shares in resulting company at 1:1. Now to acquire palm undertaking of Vishwatej oil industry, and it is going to acquire 90.5% uprising science for 2,670 crores. Acquisition of uprising science done at EV of 2,955 crores. Now to acquire the remaining 9.5% stake in the uprising science in next 2 years. The next stock which you need to look at is BPCL because company also reported their Q3 result where net profit is up by 94% at 4,649 crores. Revenue is also up by 10% reported at 1.13 lakh crores. EBITDA is up by 66.7% at 7,581 CR and margins are also up by on quarter-on-quarter basis at 6.7% versus 4.4%. Now the GRM is at 5.60 per BBL dollar versus 4.40 per BBL dollar on the last quarter. LPG under recoveries at 7,229 crores versus 4,120 crores on quarter-on-quarter basis. Along with that, BPCL enters into the joint venture with Praj Industry for setting up of compressed biogas plant across India. Not only this, but also the board approved development plan for Nunukan block with an investment of approximately $121 million. The development plan for the development of Nunukan block for oil and gas reserve will be submitted to Indonesian regulator. Now the BPCL holds 16.23% participating interest in Nunukan block. The next stock which you need to look at is Persistent System because revenue is up by 5.7% at 3,060 crores. EBIT is also up by 12.2% and the EBIT margins is reported at 14.9% versus 14% on sequential basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Zensar Technologies. Here the net profit is down by 1.2%, revenue is up by 10% and the operational numbers are also a bit compressed where the EBITDA is down by 0.3% and the margins are reported at 15.6% versus 17.2% on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Go Digit because gross return premium is up by 10.3% at 2,676 crores. Net profit is also up by 74.1% at 118 crores. AUM of the company is also up by 27% and the combined ratio is at 108% versus 112% on sequential basis. Now if you look at the next number is Gravita India where the net profit is up by 29.4% at 78 crores. Revenue is up by 31.5%. EBITDA is up by 1% and margins are reported at 8.1% versus 10.5% on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Laurus Lab because US FDA issue form 483 with one observation for company's arm in New Jersey, USA. Now you have to understand that this inspection was conducted for 4 days between January 13, 2025 and January 21, 2025. The next stock is Piramal Pharma because its division Piramal Critical Care launches chloropromazine hydrochloride for injection USP in the US. Chloropromazine hydrochloride for injection is basically used to treat various disorders like psychosis and the schizophrenia. The next stock which you need to look at is Paras Defense because company signs MOU with Maharashtra government for proposed optics park project in Navi Mumbai. Now company is going to invest nearly 12,000 crores in the optic park over 10 years. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.